Why pay for expensive PDF software when you can edit your documents with AI completely free? I tested a lot of online PDF editors, and this one turned out to be one of the easiest and most powerful options available. To get started, open lightpdf.com. Now click on the Select File button, which you'll see inside the blue box, and choose the PDF you want to edit from your device. The upload process usually takes around 5 to 7 seconds, depending on your file size. Once your PDF has finished uploading, it will automatically open inside the editor. From here, you can start editing your document immediately. You'll notice that you can edit existing text directly inside the PDF without converting it into another format. Simply click on the text you want to change, make your edits, and the document updates instantly. At the top of the screen, you'll find all the editing tools in one place. You can add new text, change fonts, insert images, highlight important sections, draw on the document, add shapes, include comments, or even rearrange pages depending on your needs. If you want to remove something, there's also an erase tool that lets you quickly delete unwanted text or objects from your PDF. For this example, I'll edit a few words, add some new content, and remove an unnecessary section so you can see how simple and responsive the editor is. Everything updates in real time, making the editing process smooth even for beginners. Before downloading, take a moment to review your document and make sure every change looks exactly the way you want. Once your PDF is ready, simply click on the Save PDF button. Within a few seconds, your edited document will be processed and prepared for download. Now download the file and open it to verify that all your edits have been saved successfully while preserving the original layout and formatting. This tool is perfect for editing resumes, contracts, invoices, business reports, assignments, forms, presentations, and any other PDF document without using Adobe Acrobat or installing heavy software. The best part is that everything works directly from your browser. Just upload your PDF, make your changes, save the file, and you're done. It's fast, beginner-friendly, and one of the best free AI PDF editors you can use today.